I'm going to show you today how to take this mushroom and make it into a fluted mushroom, which is a culinary thing. First thing you need to do is have to have a sharp knife, paring knife, and you're going to put the thumb on the mushroom, and then the knife is not going to move at all. It's the wrist. So I'm going to start with this action. This is what we're going to do. You'll see this in gourmet restaurants when you order a nice steak. Put the fluted mushroom on top. Take a look what I'm doing. The knife and the hand are one piece. The motion is in the wrist. See how it's coming off there? It looks like it's made with some sort of a machine, mechanical thing, okay? There we go. And just keep making the movement. The wrist is what's doing it. It's not the knife. This is one piece. I'm just moving my wrist. Okay? Now you peel off all the skin. So this has two purposes. You peel the mushroom, and then you're also having a beautiful little design there. I'm going to show you how to make a little radish rose. Now, if you can do this rose from a radish, you can do it with a turnip, any type of daikon. I make 4 incisions here, 45-degree angle. Again, a nice paring knife from Bernal Cutlery, finest cutlery shop in San Francisco. They got everything you need here. Okay, that's the first layer. Now you'll notice that the center of this radish is cylindrical. And now I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to come at a 45-degree angle, make 4 of them, going between the first ones I did. And then I'm going to scoop this out. Okay, I'm going to go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Main thing is you have to have the right knife to do the job. Nice paring knife. And then I just go right here, make a little V in the top. We have a beautiful little rose, radish rose. Okay, there we go.
Awesome.